Earthquake. 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 We have discovered a 10.6 earthquake detected 7.100 meters away from Higashi. Do not go near the coast, as it will cause a tsunami. Thank you for the announcement until this will end. Thank you. A tsunami was detected 700 meters away from Higashi. Stay away from coastal areas of Zak Island. If you're staying in a coastal area, live to the Rocky Mountains immediately. If the Rocky Mountains is extremely high, go to a big building or a big gigantic mountain. I repeat, go to a big gigantic mountain.